Have you ever wondered how your computer's brain, the CPU, actually thinks? It's not magic. It's all thanks to tiny electronic switches called logic gates. Today, we'll visually explore how these gates work together to process information and make decisions, revealing the fascinating inner workings of your computer. At its core, a CPU, or central processing unit, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that carries out the instructions of a computer program. It's the brain of your computer, responsible for executing everything from simple calculations to complex operations that power your applications. A logic gate is a fundamental building block of digital circuits. It takes one or more binary inputs, either 0 or 1, and produces a single binary output based on a specific logical operation. Think of them as tiny decision makers that control the flow of information. CPUs use millions, even billions, of these logic gates connected in complex arrangements. By combining different types of logic gates, a CPU can perform sophisticated operations, allowing it to interpret commands, process data, and ultimately think and respond to your actions. Let's start with the AND gate. An AND gate outputs a 1 only if all its inputs are 1. If even one input is 0, the output is 0. Imagine two switches in a series. Current only flows if both switches are on. Next is the OR gate. An OR gate outputs a 1 if at least one of its inputs is 1. It only outputs a 0 if all its inputs are 0. Think of two switches in parallel. Current flows if either switch or both are on. Finally, the NOT gate, also known as an inverter. It takes a single input and outputs the opposite. If the input is 1, the output is 0, and vice versa. It's like a single switch that flips the signal. By connecting these basic AND, OR, and NOT gates, CPUs can build more complex logical functions. For example, an XOR gate, which outputs 1 if inputs are different, can be constructed using a combination of these three fundamental gates. This hierarchical design allows for incredibly sophisticated calculations. So, the thinking power of a CPU isn't mystical, but a brilliant feat of engineering, built upon the simple yet powerful principles of logic gates. Each gate performs a basic binary operation, and together they form a colossal network that enables your computer to understand, process, and respond to your every command. Understanding logic gates is the first step to truly appreciating the magic within your machines.